I'm bound to walk over there. We get to
Kayaking.
Yeah. Ray, now you sitting over here. I know you getting in one of these kayaks, man.
They gone.
Why, if you doing that, how we gonna film?
She filming.
I can bring my phone.
Ray said he don't record. He gonna send me the video.
Wait a minute. Let me go put this in the bag.
This fine.
You say scratch your feet? Yes.
I had turbo spinners offshore that were warm.
Oh, I got you.
You got it?
I swear I'm nervous.
For all my people on the camera that's watching this video, if something happened to me, I love you, and just know we had a good time and we had fun. So in my memory, make better memories and have more fun.
Hey.
That's all.
Hey, man.
Say what? Hold on, wait.
No, you got to push it over in there.
Oh, he ain't gonna push?
No, how you put your sit in this thing? Come on here now.
You got to get it closer to it, D.
Come on, I'm gonna show you. He looking like he don't want to do it now.
He looking mighty serious.
You gotta put your shoes on like this. You gotta cock the gun.
So you don't lose your shoes, you got to put them on like
Yeah,
that.
because you gonna get your feet wet.
Okay, you done did it before?
I ain't never did this before, but I've been wanting to do it for the longest.
All right.
Show and tell. Just the rain.
He told us to go? What did he tell us?
Y'all ready to go? Y'all ready to go?
Hey, you good to go? You good to go?
Don't be rushing me.
Yeah, y'all are good.
Hey, go ahead on. We catch
He
up.
rushing you, Marty. Be scared.
We catch up.
Then you got to take it and push it.
Alright, go on up. You just float there. Go ahead.
Can you lift that leg?
Just gotta level it out, D.
Let me push it, D. Push up.
Yes!
Y'all
Yes,
going.
baby, we got this!
Y'all going.
Wait a minute.
Side to side.
We gotta do the same side, D, like this. We headed for New York City!
New York. Y'all New Yorkers.
Turn it, D. Look, this how you turn.
Get to this water. Y'all don't hear from me no more.
That's it, D. You got it, D.
We out of here!
Y'all got it.
Peace! Love!
We're gonna see how this
and
go.
fun.
Marquis, come on. Don't be writing no eulogy.
They trying
Don't
to
do
rush me for the real film.
Hey, don't do no eulogy. Come on.
Y'all don't hear from me after this video.
No more eulogy. Come on.
Y'all send these people down here to get me.
One more damn call. Come on. No more eulogy. Get in the water. You ain't gotta go nowhere. You ready? I'm ready to push y'all out there.
Why you gotta push that out of there?
I'm just working. That's what I do. I'm working out here. I'm trying to get y'all out there
All right.
to have a good time.
BG, you gonna send us the video, huh? BG?
Yeah, she videoing there. Yeah, she gonna send it to you.
Steve here.
You said BG don't send it to me, so.
I'm saying, ask him to just sit yours getting off.
BG.
Y'all ready? Y'all ready to get on your ship?
I want you to film us leaving.
I'm gonna do y'all.
She doing it. Okay, y'all about to get on this. Oh, that one over there, get on this feel out there?
Cause where you going without no paddle? See what I'm saying? How you gonna help? Bring me your phone.
She got him with.
You got my phone.
Oh.
You got it.
Now how you
Let her get on. Get on.
Nope.
How you going?
All right, sit in. Sit in.
You know what I'm saying?
Come on, I'm in.
You know what I'm talking about? She gonna lock onto you like a spider.
Y'all gonna swim or drown? I thought I could
Try to swim away.
Get on, Monkey. Let me have push on out a little bit.
She got to go out and fucking. You got to go fucking down.
Push on out a little bit.
So push, you got to get off of it. See what I'm saying?
Let me tell you, Bruce, y'all.
You got to do this on your own,
Come on,
baby.
Monkey. Let me hold it. I'll put it on there. Step up, Monkey. That was a bad idea. We thought we'd get her on there for you.
I see her grab me and then she falls, she gonna snatch me with her.
I feel sorry for y'all, too. I feel sorry for y'all.
That's why I was asking.
Come on, down there, pick up, pull up.
You don't need to be out here. You ain't able to be out here. You don't need to be out here.
Yeah, he was
Y'all can do it.
This is dangerous.
Goodbye, goodbye, my friend.
Come on, you gotta try.
Goodbye, my friend.
I ain't getting close to that one. You snatch me in there.
Y'all two don't need to go.
Oh, Lord have mercy. Oh, Lord have mercy.
Oh no, we ain't going that far like we now.
Get y'all money back.
We go all the way.
Get y'all money back. All right, now, Tam, you got the own business. You ain't got on the right kind of shoes.
I'm gonna leave these shoes
Yeah,
here.
leave them here.
No, it's still on mine. Put it out in the remote. Oh, I need to add it. Okay. I'm in, right?
Perfect.
Okay. Come on. I'm in.
Girl, your love is like the ocean. It doesn't seem to end. Can we just keep floating? Cause it's too far to swim. No rescue or a boat inside. You know it's alright. When I'm with you, I'll drown in it all night. Girl, your kissing so addictive, and it's always on my mind. Can't resist it for a minute, cause it gets me every time. And when you wake up with no makeup, that's true beauty in my eyes. No matter how Girl, your love is like the ocean, it doesn't seem to end. Can we just keep floating, cause it's too far to swim? No rescue or a boat inside, you know it's alright. When I'm with you, I'll drown in it all night. Girl, your kissing so addictive, and it's always on my mind. Can't resist that for a minute, cause it gets me every time. And when you wake up with no makeup, that's true beauty in my eyes.
They coming back.
You look like a pro, though.
Yeah.
Like you know what we're doing.
Yep. Y'all did good.
First time. Oh, hit the ground. Hit the ground.
If them two could stop arguing, they could get something done. If they could stop arguing, they could work together.
Yeah, we parking.
Y'all parking?
Yeah.
Run away ship, get out the way. Run away ship. I'm gonna get it out. I'm going. Run away ship.
That boy
Out the way.
runaway ship.
We blocking.
Marquise, you got on up there.
I told you gonna be screaming and hollering.
Marquise, the rocket. I seen it. Yeah, you playing in the middle.
Find someone you can love like crazy and who'll love you the same way back. How do you find him? Well, you forget your head and you listen to your heart. Because the truth is, honey, there's no sense living your life without this. To make the journey and not fall deeply in love, well, you haven't lived a life at all. But you have to try, because if you haven't tried, you haven't lived.